for I'm a mama kwaba ediba Xposed GSO Xposed GH. Yes, no Ghana and beyond. I Saturday where a tremwe kakre and I who say I the people of the agnostic, the Volta region. The Keta people have celebrated their Hogbetsotso. Now I want me fia talk be siri utum say they ground the show where the a festival where they move for because there is historic issues to talk about. Perceptions be a wo trim utum say it has been cleared in a professional way and in a lovely way for us. I before ni na diwa fashe I friend I Hogbetsotso omo mu di fetiri desi abobita di me da plenam obi a kire se o hwehwe ama ho fe so party a ko the memu na kope obabi efri onom. Now we and through this festival no utumu say Hogbetsotso festival ni invite ye to say ye invite na Osei Tutu asante hene e mani grande show no or grande festival in a nice way and ye fe papa kwewutafo hene utumu so ko win nanka samba Bawumia na be de chie kwewutafo hene no e mo no so ye den e baabi na ni taki teko the second no of osu manche no so obeji ni gwa ayemfu bebre ne free kro bebre ne betena ase e no mu kire say come on, we don't have any issues. We have tribal, yes, we love each other. Whatever they did, Hogbetsotso we dey na ayefe dey bia ye bete say ye Hogbetsotso na so bo say ye bete Hogbetsotso, but festival is saying your other tribes popularly we know almost celebrating and conforming garden. Oh come on, Hogbetsotso we dey aye the papa now when end of controversies be SEC wom awunia bema limu elikem kwame amega me pese me this semini bi eye den ebrel tie. During this occasion, when say for the first time, the king of Asante visited the Hogbetsotso or the Volta land. It was about 100 years ago. That is years ago. Actually, papa. And Nana Kodria, if I'm being right or no. And now on voters for no and rocks visited on Omoya appetite because they were fighting for the coastal area. Say Ombenya crop because Omono na epuni omonomiti. They wanted to have a coastal land. Omo called the Ashanti, Omo called the central region. They went to the Ghana. They did not give them their land. But when they went to the Volta region, they signed an apartheid into part of a place they can land over there or whatever it is. Acheyi papa. Now when na Osei Tutu so a grand issue. Now when him free mate ti bebre no Ghana forcing Asante ni Igbeni de yenka Igbefo ni Asante for de yenka. Now so in history Asante for pe baby in when it comes to trade and all those stuff, they wanted the place trade and now whatever it is no before ya no munyo ko science appetite no. If you don't know by yen chirima na ye ba no ye nya perception bi wo ye trim and Asante for na before enka and before the now so okwa igbememu aye wo baby ai okwa Asante memu aye wo baby e from Anonga Junction. And there were other place in the memoir address, Asante for address, and yet they are two. If this history is there, and then I hear Chinimana Yabano, there was a bad perception, and a awful perception, and we trim, and then Mumay free on them. I we are Santini Bermana, Mamma Catcher say, Ogani, I beni Tijani, and then. Asante hinia clear sanumani na well inside before man the eye a list of beautiful girls in the nation. Come on, demu fua opan ho fe and then I open now call no crowd but then fight on to me guide be granny bro for the obeyi a chero and won fani the demu fua asi also the facheme emu de ye itike tribalism ni yentengu. What is social media and as you say, and before you say those things we should get it off. Because Osho Tumfo Osei Tutu Emra or Groundy Shone and all that now. Come on, let me tell you something. Or the two will be Koso and he shooted. And you know what or Tony Koso, do you know what it means? Or say we don't have. The meaning in actually say and Tokwe where the land now are Koso, they don't have any fight. This is very lovely. This history will be remarkable and we love it. Fair. Come on, this thing I will see a grand in the year. See, now only one dicey thing fair crown say. So what I want me fear talk beer. Now we shall Nana Santihinia. Would you show me Nimupa? As if they are brothers. They have to go and question their mothers that are. I don't want me papa that I don't go once Santihini's papa and accident. Hey, look at the face. Who they share? They are brothers. They are lovely brothers. They are brothers to his size. Hey, almost say, who they share picture more omujina hopa ne share picture yi. Who say, wow. We na ya fatu and I say sadi we gonna say yeah me no. Na wo benye twini bi o santini. Hey, atene ko fa I beni. Is this thing still going on? Nso ye nananom na egu yenimasi. Ye mpanyimfo na egu yenimasi. Sabi yesim kwala ye say we nyansa ye mpanyimfo na che nyansa kitwe. Nti wo ye papa bi na wo ba hia be ma brantie bi ni owo aims and vision na travel nti wo so mane ni be ma yintina. You should stop it because empena twenu say abaye intertribal. Obi to ewodono ene huhia se wo benya bemepa enye se we asantini we yankrani we agbeni sa asem na wo si twaso. Your whatever they did over there was so nice and remarkable. Eye fe, eye ni je, yankasa so many aje. Now one controversial issue say on say I sure not say eja invited the president of Ghana when to me I'm making and I when Gracie occasion and on the vice president of Ghana, Dr. Bawumia, or no so a Gracie occasion. On a man a chance not obe kasaya. Utumu say Kasano was not even about the festival. Or Kasawi Ninano, or Kasano was not even about the festival. Or no any campaign in Yoma Omayama Ghana no and now walking. Now Semna walking and now who on the background. Obeti say the people are not the youth. And yet painful who said the youth was just booing him away. Ebusian for my young video no embrani video ni ba. There was some crazy
to be part of it. Once again, I'd like to thank Osei Tutu and Tutu St0rm for this invitation of us to come. God bless the Anglo State. God bless all of us. And God bless our homeland, Ghana. Thank you very much.
And ebusiafo okwohwe video na obi beka say were the youth trying to boo the president because the vice president because a idea trend be a ekoso and now the president says something na ento asum into na youth in kasa. But we the speeches of the president. It was not about the Deba. He was not even talking about the historic moment Asantehene Kraba Betia and the other initiatives are almost here to help the country. Because they were the first. They were the first. They were the first. They were the first. If you look, because me nyambre na me because opportunity me share wo Onua TV ye pa because all kasa na me tie. But let me count. You say almost about 4 million Ghana cedis. ADC keta happen. And okoshe happen na yesi na. Yanye blog a container 40 billion. And you have found managing director. You have found managing directors. And you have found 21 workers. But this is a happen. You try managing director. And so you go cry the emphasis water. You fa announcing change. Mr. President, Bawumia, why are you doing the dirty jobs? Why do you keep disgracing yourself? And now is the power what are you doing? Like, so suddenly your trauma can't you have the right? Don't you have the right to throw that paper away and speak what you have to tell Ghanaians then go for increase you? Yeah. Oh, Mr. President. I think I'm because the youth heard something that was not suitable in their ears. Because whatever the Mr. President you were saying over there, and found some Voltarians, yes, so many more the NDC caucus, but come on, so why you know my party Ghana, they won't have said away. Because no man will kind in Ghana, and won't fast so ben a Ghana for ye. At the end of the month, so what's the wire, and fast so ben pana ye. Would the original course on the cry? Would you cheat them in fast so many hours? Our ports have born on some sins. I think, and I'm more cool so good one casam when master. Down on Mr. Captain Smart, Tina show so different. They say, ye entreat ye in your party, Ubia ye entreat ye, but Kasama Ghana for Akuman to you, man. I bet now say you were the first. What were you in the first to implement for Ghana? You implemented, and what is the benefit are we enjoying? Because we should see the good things that went on the Hogbetsotso festival. Aha, and I'm a demo EPC. Me am a dijumede, a bromdin limo, elikem kwame, America, a jumako, a somasi, and you will be a send it to free, and Kofubia man in the boat or dine so, and my friend new to free, on the boat or dine so, and your day, and my former number was your no a trap. Now, aha, and I'm demo busy. It was your for. Makram, that's Sunday, Ebesia.
Onyado for dear no how a dear no adwin dear no kodana a dying and a wasie and a open chance in papa a day apostle and a dying with Timona since so to a nuno and nuntiama one na aquaye bisi basa any and media sempa and natural things a be one more and some a day a masan crofoni nasi to me canabra one more akache now one more MMS so how no and no and fa emau and unti for one more number it will screen no as soon as any one more in the ayakasu says a woman to my son intino adansi for one more atum natural things ana one more ejuma ed dance so na won't sika engu de biara eda.